Question 13. Write the missing digits in each calculation below. The first one is done for you. So 19 multiplied by 3 is 57. We can use this to help us with the following questions, or come up with our own methods that help us work out what the missing values are. So we have something, a two-digit number times 3 is 51. Well, automatically we know we're multiplying by 3, so it's going to have to be less than 19. We can use a method that's called trial and error, thinking, if we tried 18, what is 18 multiplied by 3? Well, 3 times 4 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3, so that would equal 54. And that's no good for us, but logically we can see we are getting closer, so what is 17 multiplied by 3? 7 times 3 is 21, 3 times 1 is 3, add the 2 is 51, so therefore our missing numbers are 17. One thing we could also have done, however, is to think of what number times by 3 ends in a 1. Well, 7 times 3 is 21, that ends in a 1, and it gives us a hint that it should end in a 7. The final method for this question is that you could work backwards. Think, if my answer is 51, and I'm looking for how many 3's go into that, we can just divide. 3's into 5 is 1, 2 remainder, 3's into 21 is 7. Either way, we are going to get 17 as our missing number. For the final part, something times 3 equals 40 something. Now we already know that 17 times 3 is 51, so let's just go down one more step and try 16 times 3. 3 times 8 is 18. 3 times 3 that gives us 48. So if we have the number 16, we times it by 3, it will give us 48. There are a few possible answers for this, but don't go too low, because if you get to the point of 13 times 3 is 39, and that's too small. Always check your answers. If you need to do a little bit of grid multiplication, do it. There is plenty of space at the bottom of the page.